Every day, websites face hacking attempts. Many of these attacks come from common vulnerabilities, not sophisticated techniques. Often, issues arise from outdated plugins, weak passwords, and unsecured PHP file permissions. If attackers find an easy entry point, they will exploit it. Fortunately, securing your WordPress site isn't complicated and can be done in an afternoon. First, update everything: WordPress core, themes, and plugins. Security patches are released regularly, and attackers quickly exploit unpatched vulnerabilities. Enable auto-updates in your WordPress dashboard, but ensure you have a backup strategy. Back up your site before enabling these updates. Next, eliminate the default admin account. The username admin is well known and vulnerable to brute force attacks. Create a new admin account with a strong, unique username and password. Regularly review user accounts and remove any that aren't in active use. To protect against brute force attacks on the login page, use a plugin to limit login attempts. Plugins like Limit Login Attempts Reloaded block IP addresses after several failed attempts. Consider changing your login URL with a plugin like WPS Hide Login for added security. Two-factor authentication is crucial. Apps like Google Authenticator enhance your security significantly. Backups are essential, but remember, your hosting provider's backups are not enough. Use a dedicated backup plugin like Updraft Plus to store copies in a location outside your host's control. Schedule regular backups and test the restoration process to ensure it works. Understand the importance of file permissions. WordPress needs to write to certain directories, but they must be configured to prevent PHP execution. Implement a rule in the Uploads directory to block PHP and prevent remote code execution. SSL is no longer optional. Ensure your site is secure by using HTTPS. This protects users' login credentials and maintains trust. Use Let's Encrypt to install SSL easily, and redirect all HTTP traffic to HTTPS. These essential steps create a realistic security posture. While no site can be entirely hack-proof, making your site harder to attack than millions of others is possible. Maintain these practices consistently for maximum protection against WordPress threats. In summary, prioritize updates, delete default admin accounts, implement login protections, ensure regular backups, set correct file permissions, and enforce SSL. Doing this protects not just your website but also your reputation. Take action today. Implement these steps and safeguard your WordPress site against potential hacks.